Hey YouTube, have you ever dreamed of creating hundreds of YouTube shorts in just a blink of an eye? Well, today, I'm going to reveal the secret behind how I made 500 YouTube shorts in just 1 minute. Yes, you heard that right. 500 shorts in just 60 seconds. Stick around because this is going to change the way you create content forever. Just watch the video and thank me later. We are going to use the AI video generator called Waxo. You need to go ahead and try it for free. After that, you need to sign up with your Google account or email. I already done that. That's why you didn't see that option on the screen. After you sign up, it will show you an interface with YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram, X, and video template. And you have to choose YouTube. If you can't see it, no problem. Just follow the video step by step.
The full moon illuminated the forest.
The freshly brewed coffee filled the kitchen with...
The sea waves gently broke against the shore, creating... The wind whispered among the leaves, telling stories of times long past.
The cat curled up in its bed. The city came to life at dawn, with the bustle of people starting their day.
All you need to do is wait and let the magic happen. If you want to make up to 500 to 600 or even more, all you need is to upgrade to paid version. Each video is going to take 5 credits. Now that your shorts are ready, you need to go ahead and start downloading one by one. The downloading part took up to 45 to 60 seconds. You need to be patient and wait for your video to download. If you like the videos that you generate, I advise you to upgrade so you can make as many as you want. With this method, you can also create TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and many more.
Ever wonder how the YouTube algorithm boosts your videos? The algorithm suggests videos based on viewer preferences. Engagement is key.
Now that you know how you can make as many YouTube shorts you want with just a push of the button, I would say, why don't you hit that subscribe button, and so that I will see you in the next video. Make sure that you like and comment because it will help grow this channel.